So, you're thinking about using PocketGuard to manage your finances, but you're wondering, does it actually track your credit card transactions? Well, let's dive right in. PocketGuard is a popular personal finance app that promises to help you save money, track your spending, and reach your financial goals. It's a great tool for many reasons, but its ability to track credit card transactions is a key feature that many users are curious about. So, does PocketGuard track credit card transactions? Short answer, yes, it does. How it works. PocketGuard links to your financial accounts, including your credit cards. Once linked, it automatically pulls in your transaction data. This means it can track purchases made on your credit card, whether it's a cup of coffee or a big-ticket item. Benefits of tracking credit card transactions. Real-time insights. PocketGuard provides real-time updates on your spending, so you can stay on top of your finances. Categorized spending. It automatically categorizes your transactions, helping you identify spending patterns and areas where you can cut back. Personalized financial advice. Based on your spending habits, PocketGuard offers personalized financial advice, such as budgeting tips and debt reduction strategies. Savings goals. You can set savings goals and track your progress. PocketGuard can even suggest ways to save more money. Limitations and considerations. While PocketGuard is a powerful tool, it's important to be aware of its limitations. Accuracy. While PocketGuard is generally accurate, there may be occasional discrepancies in transaction data, especially for complex transactions or those made through third-party payment processors. Data privacy. It's crucial to be mindful of data privacy concerns. Ensure that you trust the app and its security measures to protect your financial information. So, there you have it. PocketGuard does indeed track your credit card transactions, making it a valuable tool for managing your finances. However, it's important to use it wisely and be aware of its limitations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.